This Women's Month, you deserve to feel confident, bold, and unapologetically you. At the Wig Factory, we're celebrating you with up to 25% off your favorite wigs. Whether you're switching it up for work, stepping out for girls' night out, or just want that new hair hoodess feeling, we've got the perfect crown for every queen. From sleek straight to luscious curls, natural textures to bold colors, there's a style for every mood. Need help choosing? Our stylists are ready to guide you to your next flawless look. So why wait? Celebrate Women's Month in style and save up to 25% off while you're at it. The Wig Factory, where beauty meets bold. To get your next wig, visit us at www.thewigfactory.co.za or visit us in store to get your new look. See you!